Hello viewers all over the world, welcome to my channel. My name is Abiodun James. This is gypsum ceiling design. Thank God for the finishing. Thank God for the finishing. You can see the straightness. This type of gypsum ceiling can be done in residential apartments, church, mosque, warehouse. As you can see, this is all. You can contact us on 08063098718. You can contact us for your projects. We offer the best, and our price is affordable, and we sell at affordable price. We sell at affordable price. We sell at affordable price. Set at affordable price. Check it out. See the straightness, the 2x2 ceiling design, the 2x2 ceiling design. We have different design, and this is one of the design. We have up to 8 design of this gypsum ceiling, and we have gold design in different. We have gold design in different design as well. You can also call us for your POP ceiling design. POP ceiling design, wall screening, floor tiles, aluminum window, aluminum roofing, stone coaster roofing. Thank you. Please share, like, comments, and subscribe. Share and let all to see it. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.